Hey everyone! So today we're going to do just a standard flip cup on a 10-inch round. And I'm going to be using some shades of green, which I don't normally do. I'm going to start out with some white, of course. And then we're going to add some Lucas Mint Green. I'm going to follow that with Soho Terra Vert, which is also known as Viridian. Then I'm going to add some Folk Art Malachite. This is a beautiful metallic. And then the Folk Art Peridot. Some Lucas Gold Bronze squirted down the middle. And then for my contrast, some Van Dyke Brown. And then I'm going to go back with some mint, some Terra Vert, some Malachite, Peridot, some Gold Bronze, a little bit of Van Dyke Brown, and I think I'm good. I'm just going to go ahead and flip that cup. I did not spray it, so we can let that set for a minute. I didn't add any more white. I don't want it to be overpowered. I figured with the mint we should be light enough. So while that's sitting, I'm going to just pop these on the shelf. Put them where they kind of go. Alright, let's see what we get. I love this. I should have pulled the cup just a little bit harder and we wouldn't have gotten that white in there, but it should lace out, so we should be okay. So I'm just going to torch this now and get the bubbles out. And then we're going to just tilt and see what we get. Hopefully we'll open up some color. I'm not going over the edge yet, so I want to see what's under there. Alright, so I'm going to take this white off for sure. And get these edges on the side. That white did not play well, but it will help when it sinks to bring us up some interesting things. I have to leave some of it because it'll look stupid if I don't. There's my thought process for you. I know a lot of you miss that when I'm doing musical videos. So I'm going to go ahead and torch this, and then I'm going to let it set just to see what happens with this white. So hopefully something will happen here. But I love the colors. So let's leave it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I did tilt some of that white off before I brought you back, because it wasn't doing anything. So I can handle that little bit of white going through, that little bit of lacing. But I don't want any more than that. So let me give this another torch. All this metallic is sitting on top, which is great. We won't lose it. But nothing new coming up, which is fine. I'll take it as it is. It's going to be gorgeous when it's dry. All these will tone down darker, and the gold bronze will be just shiny. But I think that's it for this one, guys. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Click on that bell. You'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I love to read your comments, even if they're bad. I just ignore them. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have a lot there. Oh, look at that. Pretty skin. And Etsy for our jewelry. And soon our paintings will be up there. I have about 2 dozen to put up there, so I need to get a day to take pictures and work around the weather here, that's for sure. And also, the Stone Coat Art Code resin is below. Paint mixing videos are below. Our PayPal donation link is below. There's so many links below. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.